Welcome to the Wonder League Robotics Competition Year 11. We are so excited to be here with you announcing this year's top teams and winners. My name is Amanda.
And my name is Brian, and we are the lucky team members getting to speak on behalf of all of our colleagues here at Wonder Workshop, a part of Moravia Education. This year was definitely another year filled with all sorts of surprises. We were blown away by the creative detail and overall excitement all teams showed this year.
Take a moment to high-five your teammates for completing the missions this year and reflect on all that you did, all that your team did, and all the amazing memories that you will take from this experience. Now take a moment and high-five your coaches and your parents for all the support they offered throughout this journey as well.
On behalf of all of us here at Wonder Workshop, we would like to thank you, our Wonder League coaches. We know how much time and effort this all takes. Many of us coach teams ourselves, so a big thank you to you all. Thanks for believing in your teams and letting us ride along on this journey with you all.
We had so many teams that provided some creative solutions to their engineering challenges. Judging is always the hardest but most rewarding parts of our job.
As judges, we have to get super picky when it comes to scoring these submissions because so many students come up with similar solutions. It is one of the think outside the box and figure out what might not be the most popular solution. This is an excellent way to make your team stand out from the rest. For example, our most popular engineered solution in this year's competition was using magnets to have Dash retrieve the compass.
It was only after some long days and some sleepless nights that we were finally able to determine the top teams across the Innovator Cup and the Pioneer Cup. We could not tell you how impressed we were with all the contestants' work.
Unreal what all these teams can do, Amanda. Okay, we will start with the Innovator Cup, which is our 6 to 8-year-old bracket, and in no particular order, we will name the 3 runner-up teams and then this year's Innovator Cup winner. Flying Kitty Doggy Corns. Team members Faith, Maya, Marlo, and Eloise, and the coach, Brandon. We also have Rollin' Robots and team members Soraya, Nishi, Elijah, and Roy, coach Bijiang. And Team A, team members Talaya, Yazan, Carla, Perla, and Karma, coached by Muhammad. And the winner for this year's Wonder League Innovator Cup is, and this is a really close one, Team Scuba Divers, team members Mila and Taylor, and coach Ulrich.
Next up, we have the Pioneer Cup, which is our 9-12 age bracket. Again, in no particular order, we will name the 3 runner-up teams and then this year's Pioneer Cup winner. Our first runner-up, again, no particular order for our Pioneer Cup is Carver Team 3, team members Grace and Charlotte, coach Donna. Runners up, Sequin Coders, team members Claire, Vivian, and Ellie, coach Lana. And team Hello Marshmallow, team members Caitlin, Melody, Miranda, and Kimberly, coach Karen. And the winner is for our Pioneer Cup, Team U School Techno Sharks, team members Vlad and Elliot, coach Michelle. Congratulations, Team U School Techno Sharks. Now we know some of you may be waiting for another announcement, the People's Choice winners.
I know I am. This year's People's Choice winners are, for the Innovator Cup, the Scuba Divers, team members Mila and Taylor, coach Ehrlich. And for the Pioneer Cup, Bulldog Blitz, team members Aaron, Nakin, Tony, and coach Haley. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the People's Choice winners. We have 2 more awards to give out. We have the Imagination Award and the Super Coach Award. The Imagination Award goes to the team who took their creativity to the next level and approached the mission in a really unique way, from their coding to their engineering to their teamwork. This year's winner for the Imagination Award goes to Team Prep Pioneers, team members Winnie, Connor, and Ruben, coach Haley. Congratulations, Team Prep Pioneers. Our next award and final award for the Year 11 Wonder League's robotics competition is the Super Coach Award. This award goes to the coach who coached the most teams. The coach we are giving the award to coached 9 teams this year.
Wow, that is amazing. That sure takes a ton of organization and commitment.
I completely agree. And the winner is Maggie Solorio. Congratulations, Maggie. Well, Brian, Year 11 is coming to a close. What a year. Again, thank you to all the teams and coaches for all your hard work and participation in this year's Wonder League. Stay tuned for more updates on what the future of the Wonder League's robotics competition holds.
Thanks everyone for joining us.